Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I'm Sanjay from VC Media, and we are here to cover this event. And we would like to seek your information about your products. So we have with us Mr. Anshuman Paul, who is an ED with the Edgec Automation Private Limited, and he would help us in understanding the product that he has been serving people to and his goals that he has in future.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having us on board. And yes, we have Edgec Automation Private Limited, and we are one of India's leading gas analytical solution provider and one of the global leaders in this field. We have a kind of our operations. We are headquartered in Goa with 2 factories, and we have around 16 offices all across India, 4 overseas operations in the Middle East and in the Americas, and a global footprint in over 80 countries. And incidentally, we also have the world's largest facility for manufacturing of gas analytical systems and solutions, which I believe is a proud moment for us and also a proud moment for India. We operate into the space of giving solutions and technologies for measuring gases in all the industries we look around, like for a petrochemical industry or for a refinery or for, let's say, cement industry or a steel industry or a pulp and paper industry. So we name it. So in all these processes, there are a lot of gases which are involved, which helps in, and which we need to measure these gases very accurately, which will help us in the process optimization, in the quality of the product. Let's, for example, the grade of the cement we're manufacturing, or for, let's say, example, the petrol which we use in our cars. So if you happen to be in a petrol pump, you see that, leaded, unleaded, and then the special brand. So how to determine and this is where we play a very important part in helping in measuring these gases and in terms of the quality, safety aspects in the various industrial space. That's also a very important area. And lastly, but not the least, is we are extensively working into the field of sustainability, into the green hydrogen area, into the green ammonia area, and all that we are now. The entire world is abuzz about of the sustainability, and our solutions helps in contributing and enhancing and more of our contribution into this field of sustainability. So that's our in a nutshell what we do. And I think we really look forward to have more of our fraternity to come over, and we can have more of our solutions which will help the industry overall.
Right. Any concrete steps that you're doing with respect to pollution control with the factory?
Oh yes, right. Yes, that's as I said, it's a very important aspect of the sustainability program which we are doing, and we are actually working extensively with the Ministry of Environment and Forests and all the Pollution Control Board here in India, and also to certain other countries in Africa, where we are trying to give new technologies in terms of when you're trying to measure the pollutant components in terms of the gases or effluents. And as the day goes by, as we become more stringent, we need to measure more difficult and exotic and complex gases. So we need to evolve ourselves to give more innovative technologies so that we can measure all these gases, the harmful gases which are there, more accurately, precisely, quickly, so that we will be able to control it better in all the technology that we do. So we are working extensively on that.
That education to masses is always an ongoing process.
Oh yes, right. That's also part of an ongoing program. We normally call it training, but it's giving more of a knowledge sharing, not only to the industry, but also to the fraternity. We work extensively with the educational institutions in India, and where we give very specific deliberations of
how sessions,
technical sessions, or how the young generation, how the youth or the technical youth which are coming out, how they can more adapt to the sustainability program, and to help them make them understand the importance of it.
That was nice to know from you. And basically, your training sessions are basically with engineering institutes and all.
No, it need not be. We talk to the any education forum. It need not be an engineering thing. Of course, engineering, but also we talk to a lot of commerce graduates, a lot of people coming out of the environmental sciences. So it's a broad spectrum. In general, the education fraternity.
Any message to the masses?
Well, I would just say that adopt technology, and adopt the latest and adopt more of the, as we know about artificial intelligence and digitalization that you're talking about, look forward and use technology for the betterment of all the human society as a whole.
Not to take it as a threat.
Never, never. It's all to help us grow better and stronger and healthier.
So on that note, I would like to thank you for your time, and we wish your organization all the very best.
Thank you very much for having us, and it was a wonderful opportunity to talk to you.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure. Thank you so much.